namin. The church, like any organization, needs people who will work with different various ministry of the church. We're not a one-man band, or we're not a two-man band. Only Pastor Edwin and myself are working. No. This church evolved. The church moved and performed and ministered because we have an army of volunteers in the church. These are people who comes into the church without being paid, who even take time, their precious time with their family, or sometimes being removed from them in order for them to serve the church. So at the end of the year, we recognize them for the ministry that they have. So I'd like for us, on behalf of the church, to recognize the people who have served in our midst. I'd like to start with, hindi ko lang na-realize that we have a audio-visual ministry. You know, at the beginning of the service, we have our videos, and we have the sound system. So, at this point, I'd like for us to recognize Jeff, Syra, and Manny for the audio-visual. Can you please come here and receive the small token of appreciation? Maraming salamat. They are our audio-visual ministry. The sound system, the video, the lights. Thank you so much. And also, the website being performed by Syra, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Yeah. May picture ba? Makakalit pa to. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, man, stay here. Let's just help you with that. Okay, now. The kids, yung pong Christmas musical, we all enjoy. They devoted almost 3 months of practice, and even the parents, they brought the kids here for the last 3 months. So we'd like to recognize all of the kids, part of the wrap around the Christmas musical. Maraming salamat. Okay, the kids. Thank you so much.
Noah.
Elia, si Gail, Jeremiah, Luke, Mark.
Noah.
Where's Pam? Gabby, come here, party down, wrap around, come on. Where's Noah? There you go, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your, okay. Okay, picture. Okay. There you go, 1, 2.
Gail smile.
Thank you. There you go, 1, 2. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Now every Friday night, this group of people come into the church and rehearse for the praise songs. Oh my goodness. We just cannot extend our gratitude to the praise team. Thank you so much. If you can just come here and we have the church, maraming salamat. All the praise team, the singers, the instrumentalists, if you can come here, please. Chatin, Tommy, TJ, yes. Even the singers, Kobe, Diane, and Katrina. Okay, you'll be part of this year's praise team, lahat to. Okay? Thank you so much for your service. Yung women at saka men, hindi na muna. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Two. Okay, thank you. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Now, yes, yeah. Oh my goodness. If you're young and you're in the church every Friday evening, that's really a commitment. Thank you so much. But now, there's one person who coordinates all of the special number, all of this praise team, and all of these things. Meron po tayong coordinator. If you don't know, I'd like to call on Sister Nora, our coordinator for last photographer. Thank you so much, Sister Nora, for your service. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, Sister Nora. Okay, now, and probably you notice that every Sunday you come here, the carpet is vacuumed. We have a clean toilet, maayos po. Because every week there's an army of cleaners who comes here, who clean the church. Let's give them a clap, church. Maraming salamat po. Volunteers. They are volunteers. So if you can just come per family, representative of your family, if you can just come here. Yung mga cleaners po. If you can just... Okay, if you...
Okay. Sino group natin? Si Susunod group. Si Terry.
Okay, if you... Okay, you can just come and just... There you go. Okay, Apple family, the Terry, Che Barrera.
Oh, Barrera.
Che Barrera, top. And Nora, okay. Sila po mga cleaners natin. Thank you so much. Tapos na kayo picture? Tapos na? Okay, thank you. Okay. Second week cleaners. Si Tess Benitez. Ate Nanette. Hazel and the Velasco family. Cynthia also.
Mga long distance.
Wow.
Malayo.
Kaya kapag marumi yung church, alam niyo po kung sino yung CCC niya, okay? Yeah, no kidding aside, thank you so much for being the cleaners. Most. Okay, picture. Okay, thank you so much. Now, every third Saturday, meron po mga cleaners din who comes here. These are the Fables, the Ligot.
Yes.
Yun na. Si Katrina din nag-clean din. Okay. Okay. I guess that's pretty much it. Okay. That's for the cleaners. Thank you so much. Okay, now the fourth Saturday, the Honor, the Perez, the Sade family. Okay, maraming salamat po.
You were here last night.
Okay, maraming salamat po for cleaning the church. Honor, the Perez,
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Okay, thank you so much. Picture. Oh, yeah, na. There you go. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa mga cleaners.
Sometimes, they're here until for like a couple hours.
Every Sunday morning po, meron po mga Sunday school teachers. But aside from Pastor Edwin and myself, these are the volunteer Sunday school teachers. And I'd like to recognize Sister Che, who's teaching the women's, and Sister Yuki for teaching the youth. Thank you so much.
Wait for a minute. We want to call Sister Hazel and Sister Yubi for the praise and worship leader. Okay,
For one.
I just want to share this. Kung ano man ito, but the thought, I want to share this with Lisa, Sister Chat, at saka si Sister Nora, and of course Sister Yubi, because it's not about teaching, it's about learning, and it's about inspiration and encouragement. And they are part of this, so thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Picture.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Okay, now for leading the men's fellowship this year, maraming salamat kay Kuya Lito. Kuya Lito, maraming salamat. And also I'd like to recognize TJ for leading the youth.
Ito also for our conference.
Oh yeah, by the way, yes, si Kuya Lito nga pala, Sister Chelsea to the conference.
TJ.
Okay. Now before I let TJ go, TJ has been with us for the longest time. But then this year, I think God has revealed to him a different mission in his life. Mission to Marsol. But God has spoken to Brother TJ, and I think God is calling him to a different mission field. And I'd like to appreciate TJ for, I know he came back all the way from Dumaguete, and he came back here to help the church, the music, the youth, on behalf of the church. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for your commitment. Okay?
I just like to thank the church because this church has actually trained me to become a good leader, to actually take that step because, you know, everything is all in faith because you don't know what might be ahead, but God is there to always lead you the way that you should. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, now we're having some issues with the attendance sheet. Now, sino ho ang complete attendance this year? Complete attendance.
Complete. Isang no absence.
Basta nagbakasyon. Complete attendance. Who doesn't miss a... Hindi ho nagbakasyon. Kasi alam ko ho nagbakasyon. Alam ko lang ho, dalawa. But I might be wrong. So I'm just opening up to everyone. I know it's Jeff and Sarah who had the complete attendance this year. Come on. Thank you so much. Wow. Complete attendance, huh? Wow. 52 weeks. Oh my goodness. Nandito na si Sister Tess. Nandito na. Thank you so much. Wow. Amen. Thank you guys. Wow. Okay. So next Sunday will be a new year. It's a new year ahead of us. So come prepared. And church, maraming salamat po. I know God has been teaching us a lot of things the past years. I know we bring this teaching into the coming days, the coming months. Sabi, it could have been worse. Just imagine, I mean, if the Lord took Sister Tess home in heaven, magkaiba ko talaga. Ano? I cannot even imagine it. Just the thought of it, naiiyak na po ako. Grabe po talaga. Grabe po talaga. I mean, all of us, mga, I mean, we're family here. Yeah, we rub elbows, we offend one another, we forgive, and then we move on, and then we perform God's ministry. I guess that's pretty much it, Pastor.